So, okay, this might be the actual test.
For the RC rocket car. Here we go.
The propulsion system. All right, so we're going in 3, 2, 1. Are we on? Okay, we're on. So one, that was very stupid. Rockets are meant to be remotely set off, far away from your face. And two, you're probably wondering, why the heck am I setting off rocket motors in the middle of the day with no rocket? Me neither. Yeah, no idea. I don't recommend you do that. Adult supervision advised, unless you're an adult, and you can do whatever the heck you want, I guess. Oh, and wear eye protection, and probably a face shield, and gloves. Big piece of glass right in front of you. This project is actually something I've been meaning to do for a really long time. I've really wanted to build an RC car from scratch, out of plastic. We'll see how well that fares us. And two, I really like rockets, so I thought, let's build an RC car, get a rocket motor, have them synergistically become a turtle. That's stupid. So this puppy you're seeing over here is that RC car that I envisioned. Originally, this was supposed to be powered by Mentos. I later realized that Mentos aren't powerful enough to do this, especially something that big. It's just not gonna work. So, screw it. Let's just take real rocket motors and put them on this thing. So check it out. This was our first attempt, and we're going to explain a little bit about our custom ignition. It's pretty cool. Check it out.
All right, so what are we gonna do today, Juan?
We're gonna test our rocket propulsion system. How do we test it, right?
I don't know.
So this is a conventional Estes rocket motor. It works by igniting it from the inside with this little starter.
And one of these little plugs.
Yeah, with a little, yeah.
Don't. Continue.
So yeah, you stick it up in here. So then you get this smaller plug. You probably can't see it. Then you just plug it. And now you have these two leads that you run current through. You run a voltage. How much voltage? I don't know. We're gonna find that out using this puppy. Yeah, that's the purpose of this test. We don't know what it takes to light this, and so we're gonna find that out.
How do we do the maths on that?
We don't. We just run current through it.
If you want something done, you do it yourself.
Or something like that. Custom made, first time soldering, so if you're like, oh, he sucks at soldering, you're probably right, and I really don't care.
All right, Juan, so what's going on right now?
Yeah, so what we got here is a circuit setup. It's a simple circuit with a battery, a switch, and a starter inside of a little Estes rocket motor. It's going to burn about 2 seconds. This is pretty heavy. It shouldn't move. Okay, so all that we need to do now is flip the switch.
So we're good. So we know that is off?
Yeah.
Do you want to mark that, by the way?
So it's got an O
Oh.
for off. Here you go, take the shirt. All right, so we're going in 3, 2,
Famous last words.
1. Nothing happened.
Okay, that's great. So what's going on next? That was a lot of hype.
That was a lot of hype for not very much action. So we don't know what's going on.
All right, so we're back and we're still trying to figure it out. But ultimately, it's gonna happen today.
We were at 9 volts. 9 volts did nothing earlier. So we're going to go to 12 volts.
Let's be careful now. This could be the actual test.
This could like it. Here's this switch.
Dude, if
off.
it lights, you run.
So there's still no current. So, okay, this might be the actual test.
For the RC rocket car. Here we go.
All right, so we're going in 3, 2, 1. You know, I don't think it'll go fast enough as 1. Let's do 2.